ejection tool. Use a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat around the edges of the back cover to soften the adhesive beneath. Insert an eye-sesamo into the seam between the mid-frame and the back cover and pry the back cover free. Insert an eye-sesamo into the seam between the LCD assembly and the mid-frame. Once we've developed a small gap, we can switch to a plastic opening tool to pry the two halves apart. Lift the motherboard from the top of the LCD assembly. We'll now heat the LCD frame from the LCD. Ensure ample use of heat as the LCD is well adhered in the frame. We will reheat as necessary. Here we're using a triangle opening tool to try to pry the frame from the back of the LCD. We're working very small sections at a time, using a combination of tools and heat. Work in very small sections at a time, and reapply heat anytime you feel resistance. The LCDs are fairly fragile. Once we have the frame mostly lifted from the LCD, use an iSesamo to ensure that the touch keys are not stuck to the back of the LCD. We've laid new adhesive on the LCD frame. Remove the backing to the LCD strips. We've also laid adhesive along the edges of the LCD. Remove the backing from those strips as well. We'll feed the LCD connection through the frame. At the bottom half of the LCD assembly with the charging port connection into the midframe first. Then we'll press the LCD assembly into the midframe, and we'll replace all 13 small Phillips screws.